Welcome to your Algebra 1 EOC review series. This video is on function notation. So, what function notation is just a fancy way of writing y. Whenever you deal with problems or situations that have multiple functions, you will need to be able to name those functions. And that's what function notation allows us to do. It takes and names the function. So we have a function f of a variable x, and the whole thing is our y values. And so it gives us ways to distinguish between the functions. Now, how do we use this? Okay, so we have two functions going on up here. We have the wrong button. Okay, we have two functions going on up here. F of x equals 2x plus 4 and g of x equals x squared minus 1. So what we are going to use is our function notation and see which functions we use and what we replace our x value with. So look at this right here. If I look at f of 3, I'm going to use this function because that's the one that's named f. So my x value became a 3. So I'm going to rewrite the function, and instead of having the x value in there, I'm going to put in a 3 value. And so I have 2 parentheses 3 plus 4. Well, if you work that out, that gives you 10. All right, our next one is g of x. Notice the g here. This g goes with this function over here. So we're going to go to this one. And so we're going to do a g of, I think I said 14, but it's 1.4. And so we need to replace our x squared, our x, with 1.4. Now, when you have a square or an exponent, it's better to put them in parentheses. So do parentheses 1.4 squared minus 1. Well, that gives us 1.96 minus 1, which equals 0.96. All right, this next one is our f of x again. So our x becomes a negative 6. So we have 2 parentheses negative 6 plus 4. So that's going to equal negative 12 plus 4. So that's equal to negative 8. Our last one is g of negative 4. And this is where I'm telling you to use parentheses, because if you're using the TI-84s and you don't put that negative 4 in the parentheses, it's going to give you the wrong answer every time. So do negative 4 squared minus 1. Well, 4 squared, negative 4 times negative 4 is 16, minus 1 is 15. So g of negative 4 would give us the answer of 15. And that's how you use function notation. Thanks for watching.